I have nothing more to achieve. These are the words of the silent rich boy that went on to win gold. Abhinav Bindra, a self-proclaimed introvert, has shown the world that he has an iron will and an unfaltered focus. And while every Indian wants to claim a piece of him, he has remained just like his rifle, still and calm in spite of the explosion. Abhinav, I'm really very proud to have you on the couch with me today. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think the only people who are not interested in your medals, at least according to your blog, are your dogs, Chotu and Buddy.
That's right.
Everything exploded.
I think it's been an exciting moment. We waited for this for a very long time, and everybody's excited. But for me, the biggest thing is that we must carry this forward, and that this is our big opportunity.
Your big opportunity also. I mean,
yes, and also the whole. It's just not my opportunity, but it's also an opportunity for the way sports works. I mean, I'm not running sports in India, so it's an opportunity for everybody to back the Indian athlete and take Indian sports to another level now.
So if you were running Indian sports, you said you're not running it, what would you do differently?
Well, a lot has to be changed. I mean, we don't have an Olympic program at all in our country, and we need to start an Olympic program right from the grassroots level, so that children at a very young age are exposed to Olympic sports and take it up from a young age, and that's very important.
So you're not planning to don a disguise and run away just yet, till the euphoria passes, which is what you first said.
I'd like the focus to shift to our other athletes. I mean, I won the gold medal, it's great, but we must not forget the rest. They've done, they work equally hard.
And we just won a bronze as well.
Absolutely,
yeah.
It's a great moment for us, very exciting.
I want to know all about the moment. That when it actually happened, what was the first thought? Who was the first thought for? What actually went through your mind?
Nothing, I was just living it in the moment and enjoying my 2 minutes of fame on the victory podium. That's it. I mean, I was not thinking about anybody, I was not thinking about anything. I was just enjoying the moment and anything.
Well, you've been equally, let's say, praised and criticized. For some people have said that you have shown divine humbleness, and others have said, let's see the explosion, where are the antics? The whole country is weeping with joy and he's dry-eyed, you know. So do you feel that you have to explain yourself, how you express your joy to the nation?
Not really. I think I'd like to move on, concentrate on what you have to do and what you're best at doing. Just let's focus on that and move on. I mean, I'm not the kind of a person who'd like to make a big drama of the whole situation.